Welcome to Everyday Better Day. Today, I will teach you a technique called positive punishment. If you use it right, it will help you achieve whatever you want. Many of us want to achieve a lot of things, but seldom we achieve what we want in our life. Few of us never start. Most of us start, but we never continue long enough to create a habit. Positive punishment will help you create those right habits which will change the way you live your life. Without positive punishment, we end up living a subpar life. We never achieve our true potential. With positive punishment, these things can change. As the name itself suggests, though it is a punishment, it is positive in nature because it's going to help you get what you want in life. It's a 5-step process. Let's go through the 5 steps. The first step is to decide what you want in the next month. It could be a reading habit. It could be physical exercise. It could be making your mind stronger. It could be creating quality relationship, or it could be continuously doing something around the growth program you have joined. It could be anything, but decide one. Once you have decided what you want to do for the next month, the next decision is around positive punishment. As the name suggests, it's a punishment, but it is positive in nature. It is helping you to form a habit in the next 30 days. It could be missing your favorite show, or missing your dinner, or not talking to your loved one for a day. Anything, but it has to be positive punishment. The third step is the most important step. You enter into an agreement with yourself if you trust yourself enough, or with another accountability partner, which could be your friend, father, mother, mentor, your team member, anybody. Enter into an overall agreement mentioning what you plan to do for the 30 days and what is the punishment if you don't do it on a particular day. The fourth step is to do what you want to do for the next 30 days. If you do it, great job. Just track it. If you don't do it, go and execute the positive punishment. I've used this exercise with many people with a success ratio of 95%. Not many people want to lose. That's the power of positive punishment. After 30 days, reflect to see what went well, what challenges you faced, and how did you overcome. What lessons this 30 days taught you. With a new maturity, select a new habit and start all over again. Positive punishment is a great tool in your hands, which you can use to create the right habits, which can go on to create a new reality, success, happiness in your life. Thanks a lot. See you in the next episode.